Hi, I'm Hayden Smith, Director of Construction and Forestry for Brandt, New Zealand. We're currently at the Winstone's Pukekawa quarry, showcasing our John Deere 844P tier loader. Brandt has grown to over 6,500 employees and growing daily. We're currently located in Canada, Australia and New Zealand. Throughout New Zealand, we have 17 locations in the North Island, providing great sales and support to our loyal customers. Let me pass you over to Phil Smith, our VP of Operations.
Yeah, hey, Phil Smith here, Vice President of Operations for the Upper North. My region is as far north as Kerikeri, all the way down to the Waikato here. 5 branches within that region, a number of people, number of technicians, number of salesmen. We take care of all the aftermarket support, whole goods sales, right across from our ag piece right through to our construction and forestry. I can't wait for Fergus to introduce our 844P wheel loader and share all the benefits and functions and the reason why it's such a good purchase for you, for your business.
Yeah, Fergus Goodwin here, Product Manager for Construction Forestry New Zealand. We're here with the 844P John Deere loader. This loader is running the 13.5 litre motor, built in-house, John Deere designed. We've also got tyre pressure management, all 4 tyres. That runs through to our main display, giving you tyre pressure and tyre temperature on all of that, and this reports back through to our John Deere Operations Centre online, which is quite handy. We've got fast fuel and AdBlue, and under this cover here, twice lockable through the outside, and then the fuel cap's also lockable here. Quad cool is a huge feature on the John Deere, and we'll go around the back and show you a bit more about that. In the back here, we've got the John Deere quad cool mentioned before. Pop this lever, pull open the back, and you've got access to the rear of the machine. This demonstrates all of our coolers separated out around the outside, no stack coolers other than the 2 sides, your fuel and your air conditioning. Hydraulic reversing fan, which is all customisable from the cab as you want it to reverse and when. Shut that there. This gives us a rear view camera which works into the 360 that this machine has. It gives you in the cab on another screen, you get a 360 degree of the rear of the machine. Rear sense radar, so as you get closer, same to most modern cars, you get a rear sense beep, more increasing as you get closer to the item behind you. On this side of the machine, John Deere are big on one-side servicing, so most of your daily checks are done on the other side, but they've still put your isolator on this side to make the operator walk around the machine and do a visual inspection. Factory fitted auto greaser, which gives us access to still have grease nipples on each of our pins. This way, that auto greases from one side of the pin and you can still manually grease each pin. That's a major benefit if you break a line and can't get someone out to fix it, or if you have a squeaky pin, you still have the ability to grease it with our factory fitted auto greaser. Inside this panel here, we've got a jump post, positive here, negative onto the frame, and there's also a circuit breaker for the main circuit. Ground fill auto lube, top up down here, plug it in and it fills your canister up the top. You'll see that bulge in the side of the cab. John Deere's moved the air conditioning out of the cab to the side and put it on there so that there's more room in the cab for the operator to sit and get further back in the seat. On the newly designed P-Series buckets, we've got spill guards up here which direct material coming over the top of the machine, over the top of the bucket, away from our pins at the base. They've also redesigned our side cutters to get more material retention for carrying. This is a 5.73 metre bucket or a 7.5 yard bucket. Pretty well mid-size for this machine to suit most applications. So jumping into the cab of the 844P, we've got keyless start, so that gives you a green button, one press on, press and hold starts the machine, red button stops. As you see in the corner of each of these keys, there's numbers. That's for the up to 10 operator pins that can be entered into the machine for security lockout. Into our screen here, you've got a normal run screen. Come across, this is our load scale screen, which is all built in to the John Deere system. Fuel usage, codes, and then back to our main run screen. Running a truck total down here. 360 rear sense up the top here. This is your radar, and then you've got your 360, or you can pull it into just your main camera. Radio, electric mirrors, heated and cooled seat, and aircon controls. This machine's running no steering wheel. We've got joystick steering configuration with your forward and reverse on your left hand joystick, and then we're running the fingertip controls So you can also run with 2 joysticks. That's entirely up to how we spec the machine. There's a whole lot more in here we could go through, but I don't think we've got enough time for that. Then all of our buttons are on this SSM, so that's the SSM standing for Seal Switch Module, and everything is in here.
Hi, I'm John Stevens. I'm the quarry supervisor here at Pukekawa Quarry. We're quite a unique little quarry here. We've got a sand operation as well as a full rock quarry. I can see the benefits of this John Deere loader due to like the good visibility out of the cab and the added safety features, pretty much no blind spots out of it. We'll probably utilise this loader as a main loadout loader, mainly loading out sand in our sealing chip operation.
For further information or our John Deere products, please come and visit us at our local dealership or via contact brandt.ca/nz.